I dare you to move.
What's going on, guys? First snowboard day of the season right here. So I'm out here snowboarding. I was gonna ride my dirt bike yesterday, but I didn't do that, so I am snowboarding. So I'm gonna ride a couple runs on this GoPro right here, and we will be set. I don't have an SD card in that. Well, that's a bummer. I almost did that. My first run, a little off. I tried to do a little kick spin. Ate the grass. I've been riding since I was 5 years old. So I have a pretty good experience on snowboards. You guys could even see it. It's pretty freaking cold. Alright, it'll be my last run. I'll make a little clip because it's literally freezing. It's raining right now. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's very snowy out here right now, so I'm gonna go inside and get warm. So, peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in a new video.